Welcome back to the Gadgetex. Today, we're diving into the world of PC building with our list of the top 5 best airflow PC cases of 2024. As enthusiasts and gamers alike continue to push the boundaries of performance, airflow optimization has become a crucial factor in keeping temperatures low and performance high. Join us as we explore the latest and greatest airflow PC cases on the market, designed to keep your components cool and your gaming sessions uninterrupted. Whether you're a seasoned builder or just starting out, there's something for everyone on our list. For more information and update pricing, check the links in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Let's jump right in. Number 5. NZXT Dh7 Flow. Introducing the NZXT Dh7 Flow, a powerhouse CPU cooler that doesn't just keep your temperatures low, but does so with style. From its sleek and minimalist design to its robust cooling performance, the Dh7 Flow is a standout in the world of PC cooling solutions. With its 7 heat pipes and dual-tower heatsink, it tackles even the most demanding tasks with ease, ensuring your CPU stays frosty under pressure. What sets it apart is its innovative air-p radiator fans, engineered for maximum airflow and whisper-quiet operation, ensuring that your gaming sessions remain uninterrupted by unwanted noise. Plus, with its customizable RGB lighting, you can add a touch of personal flair to your rig. The NZXT Dh7 Flow isn't just a cooler, it's a statement piece for any enthusiast looking to take their PC to the next level. Number 4. Corsair Obsidian Series 4000X RGB. Welcome to another review on our channel. Today, we're diving into the Corsair Obsidian Series 4000X RGB, and let me tell you, this case is a true showstopper. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you're greeted with a sleek, minimalist design that exudes sophistication. But don't let its elegant exterior fool you. This case packs a punch in terms of functionality. The tempered glass panels not only showcase your hardware in all its glory but also provide easy access for installation and maintenance. And let's talk about RGB. Corsair has truly outdone themselves with the vibrant lighting effects that can be customized to suit any aesthetic. With ample space for high-end components, excellent airflow, and convenient cable management options, the Obsidian 4000X RGB is not just a case, it's a masterpiece that elevates your PC build to new heights. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or PC enthusiast, this case is sure to impress with its blend of style and performance. Number 3. Lian Li Lian Li 216. In the realm of PC cases, the Lian Li Lian Li 216 stands out as a formidable contender, marrying sleek aesthetics with exceptional functionality. Boasting a spacious interior and excellent airflow design, this case provides ample room for high-performance components, while ensuring optimal thermal performance even during intense gaming sessions. What truly sets it apart, however, is its innovative dual-chamber layout, separating the power supply and storage drives from the main components, thereby enhancing cable management and overall system cleanliness. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the premium build quality to the thoughtful inclusion of features like tool-less installation and customizable RGB lighting. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a first-time builder, the Lian Li Lian Li 216 offers a compelling blend of style, performance, and practicality that is sure to elevate any PC build to new heights. Number 2. Fantex XT Pro Ultra. Introducing the Fantex XT Pro Ultra, a powerhouse chassis that's more than just a case, it's a statement piece for any high-performance build. Boasting a sleek design with tempered glass panels and integrated digital RGB lighting, the XT Pro Ultra immediately catches the eye. But it's not just about looks. This case offers exceptional functionality too. With support for ATX motherboards, extensive cooling options, and versatile storage configurations, it's a dream for enthusiasts and builders alike. The innovative dual system layout opens up endless possibilities for dual builds or dedicated streaming setups. Cable management is a breeze thanks to the thoughtful design, keeping your build clean and clutter-free. Plus, with convenient features like a top-mounted I/O panel and easy-to-remove dust filters, the XT Pro Ultra prioritizes user convenience. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or PC enthusiast, the Fantex XT Pro Ultra is the ultimate canvas for your next masterpiece. Number 1. Fractal Design North. In the realm of PC cases, the Fractal Design North stands out as a beacon of minimalist elegance and functionality. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this case strikes the perfect balance between sleek aesthetics and practicality. Its Scandinavian-inspired design language exudes sophistication, with clean lines and a brushed aluminum finish that exude premium quality. But it's not just about looks. The North boasts impressive versatility with its modular interior layout, offering ample space for high-end components and effortless cable management. The thoughtfully engineered airflow design ensures optimal cooling performance, keeping your rig running smoothly even during intense gaming sessions. With its whisper-quiet operation and intuitive features like toolless access and ample storage options, the Fractal Design North is a true testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a first-time builder, this case is sure to elevate your PC building experience to new heights. The most recent and biggest hack. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and advice. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for products you'd like us to review, please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to remain updated and see you in the next video. Foreign.